Hey guys, what's up? Well, time to do a little test of climbing angle with the Deadbolt and see how it does. So I've got my ramp out and pegged up against the wall here. You can see it's on a fairly steep grade, and I'm going to see how far the Deadbolt gets. And that's it. Wipe out. Round two. I call that success. Oh, that 45 turn motor is nice. That drag brake works really well with that motor. I'm still running stock gearing too in this thing. That's pretty decent for the angle and for the weight. That truck's getting pretty heavy too. Alright, let's try a little bit higher. Let's do it in reverse because all my weight is at the back of the truck. No, that's a little too much. Down here. There, try that out. Alright. That's decent. Oh guys, I call that a win-win. So yeah, she's really steep here. Let me give you a good side view here. See if we can do that twice. Oh yeah, easy. So I do need some more weight in the front, and I think this thing will be just perfect. I was able to lower down the center of gravity a little bit. I did a little bit of readjustments on my lift kit, and looks like it worked really good because this thing's never been able to do this steep of an angle. Like, that is really super steep. So pretty decent, guys. Catch you later. Thanks for watching.